Hey, this is Brian. My article is over primer on ethics and human cloning. The new technology in my article is human somatic cell nuclear transfer, which is the implantation of DNA from non-sexual cells of one organism into an egg whose nucleus has been removed. A benefit of human cloning would be that it can solve the problem of infertility in parents who wish to pass genes to future generations. Some of the many risks of cloning include failure, miscarriage, or deformed offspring. The new technology will affect just about everybody thanks to its controversy. Many who belong to religions will feel as if humans are co-creators with God. Laws may be enacted to prevent the birth of a clone, so you know who all that involves. It'll also have a huge impact on the science community and pretty much everyone else because many will have an opinion about it and feel to actually try it out. Like I said earlier, laws will be made to regulate and even prohibit it. In my opinion, I don't think that cloning should be experimented with. The costs outweigh the benefits, and it will cause a lot of controversy, and frankly, I don't want to hear it.
I'm going to talk about transgenic insects. Transgenic insects are insects whose genome has been altered by adding one or more DNA sequences to the chromosome using a mobile element. Two benefits of transgenic insects are that they improve the sterile insect technique, a system used to control insect population via sterility, and that they allow us to control the spread of plant diseases via paratransgenesis. Two obstacles, however, are that the transgenic insects' evolutionary fitness has been decreased as natural selection traits are not favored in lab, whereas they are out of lab, and that federal and state programs will not allow paratransgenesis as it is not efficient and can be suppressed naturally. The people in charge of deciding whether or not to use these methods are regulatory agencies such as the Pew Initiative on Food and Biotechnology. Personally, I believe that if we can establish a more efficient way at producing these types of insects, that these could overall benefit us as a whole.
In the debate over genetically modified foods, the benefits are improved storage and nutritional quality, pest and disease resistance, tolerance to extreme environmental conditions, and improved quality, quantity, and animal welfare. However, genetically modified crops could kill animals with their built-in pesticide, which has already occurred in Europe. Cross-pollination could occur with weeds closely related to the species. It could trigger new allergies and toxins in human health, and new diseases could emerge since some are modified using virus and bacteria DNA. Until FDA and government approves from the evidence from further studies done by scientists to show that GM food and crops do not pose long-term serious threats to humans and the environment, GMOs will not be readily accepted. GMOs have alluring benefits, but tampering with something so complex could lead to disastrous events.